everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melinda and I'm the Cali Crafter here on YouTube. Welcome back to day 9 of Stocking Stuffer and Ornament Day, hosted by Rosa Kelly from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. Take a look at our cute little snowflake ornaments I made out of paper and some really cute beads that were from Hobby Lobby and Michaels. I also did a little twist on the old reindeers on the candy cane thing, and I made $10 quarter rolls and turned those into reindeers. And believe me, the kids love them. I also made something kind of cool and different. I did it out of beef jerky. So if there's a guy in your life, or I like beef jerky, you might want to throw one of those in somebody's stocking. And I made adorable little wooden antlers and beads, and I've done bells also for the nose. But today I'm going to show you how to make the snowflake out of the paper from the Cricut Maker and the design space. I just happen to have the maker. So if you want to watch the video, please stick around and you can learn how to make this. Otherwise, I appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at a few things that I have. And I'm also doing a tutorial of the paperclip at the end of the video. So if you wanted to see it, and it's a cute and adorable little bookmark, and it really only took a couple minutes, then enjoy. I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to check everybody else's channels out, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions or you think this would make a cute gift, please let me know. Mention it down in the description box and tell me exactly who you think this would be great for. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye. All right, so let me show you how to do that. So on the Cricut, I have a Cricut Maker, and on the Cricut you can actually do, you can cut out snowflakes. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to make this blue and kind of like white and pearl one today for you. It's made out of paper, and I actually use a pearl paper. And what I did was showed how pretty this paper is, and it's like a white shimmer paper that's in Michaels at the craft store. And what I do is I go ahead, I wish I had a full sheet here, but I went ahead and got them done. But after the pieces are cut out, we're going to look for a snowflake on Design Space or any other cutting space that you have. But then I dusted over them with a blue ink. And I think mine was the distressed ink. But I realized if you ink your paper first, your maker or your any of your die cutting machines are going to have a really hard time cutting your pieces out because the paper's too wet. So I had to wait basically until the next day. I must have ruined 5 pieces of paper before I realized I think the paper is just way too wet for the needle to actually, or the blade to actually cut it. So with that in mind, I waited, and I think the best way to do it, which is the first one that I tried, was after it cut out, then I went ahead and put the blue on top afterwards. So try that. Anyway, so what we're going to do is continue to fold on all of the score lines. You can see the score lines. And I'm really excited because I just got some of the new tools. Well, I have all the new tools now for the maker. And so I can't wait. I want to do some of the engraving and the embossing, and we'll play around with some of those in the future, and I'll do some videos and kind of show you. I love my Cricut. I use it almost every single day. I always have to find something to make with the Cricut. All right. Now, I've kind of found out that the key to this is they need to be the same when you're making, on this one, sorry, real quick. These are rosettes that I found on Design Space. So it's a rosette, but it's the snowflake one. So you need 2 for each one. Let me get the glue out. And then I like mine to overlap because you see it's like the shorter, taller, short, tall. So there's 2 of the large ones, and then there's 2 of the smaller ones. So these 2 go together, and then these 2 go together. So in order for this to work, we have to overlap the next piece. So what I'm going to do is, whoop, sorry, I think I bumped you. What we're going to do is we're going to cut off this little one and a little tiny portion of the next one, just tiny, because it's going to be easier when we overlap here to blend in, because when we put this here, see how it kind of like bumps into the next piece. So I usually, I know you're supposed to kind of like lay it like that, but I feel like it blends in better when it's overlapping. So let's put a little glue on here. Let's put it on this side. I'm sure I'm doing it a backwards way, but as long as it gets glued. Okay. And just line it up so it looks nice. Hold it on there a second. Okay. And then same thing. Then we curl it around, do the same thing on the side. Now, see how it is? You don't want the two tall ones together. You want a tall and a short. So we're going to cut off the tall one this time. And a little tiny bit of the next one. See? And it'll overlap. So that'll go there. So let's go ahead and glue this on here. And you're not going to even see it. I highly doubt you're going to even notice it when it's actually glued together. Hold that together for a second. Okay. All right. And then, so when we're done, we're actually going to just kind of like fold it down. Make sure my glue gun's on. There we go. And you're going to lay it down and kind of smash them down. Well, you want to make sure that these are back to folded again. So if this one's up, that one's down, this one's up. There we go. It's kind of hard once you do a double layer. All right, I'm going to just finish these up, so enjoy. Thanks for sticking around to watch my snowflake ornament tutorial. If you'd like to leave a message, like, subscribe, and comment, don't forget to check out the other crafters because they have some pretty neat stuff going on. Just a couple more minutes and we have a paper clip bookmark that we're going to be making. It's out of a giant paper clip. So enjoy, and don't forget to come back for day 10 of our 12 days of Christmas. Thank you. Bye-bye.